While connecting to your bank is the easiest way to enter your expenses into QuickBooks, there are times when you might need to enter an expense manually. Maybe you have an account that isn't connected to QuickBooks for some reason, or you purchased something with cash, or you purchased inventory outside your normal workflow. Let's go over how to create an expense manually in QuickBooks. To start, go to New and select Expense. First, select the payee. If you don't see the name, you can add it here. Next, select the payment account you used to pay for this expense. The default payment date is today, but you can change that. The payment method is optional if you want to specify how you paid for the expense. If it is any option other than cash, you can add a reference number here. Select the category that best describes what you spent this for. This will often be an expense, but if this is something that you will use over and over again for many years, like a vehicle or a computer, you might categorize it as a fixed asset. If you don't see an account that describes what this expense is for, then you can add one here. Enter a description of this expense and the amount. This item section is only used if you are purchasing inventory. If that's the case, ignore the category details section and enter in the information about the expenses here. We have covered how to purchase inventory in more detail in a separate video at the end of this one. Finally, if you want to add a memo or attachments like receipts, you can do that here. Once you're done, select Save and Close. That's it. Now you are ready to create your own expenses in QuickBooks.